Hello, I'm Rudy, and today we're going to learn short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds to help you with your pronunciation. I've chosen a few common words which my students often struggle with. Let's take a look. Beg, bake, pet, paid, live, leave, fill, feel, this, these, got, goat, pot, bought, tout, taught, foot, food, full, fool, pull, pool, 30, 13. There's no perfect way to pronounce a word in English. We just have to do our best to speak in a way that people understand us. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.